Let's try to understand about pricing methods or pricing strategy, which comes under the fourth module. You have something called as pricing methods and you have something called as pricing strategy. So let's first try to understand what are the methods of pricing. So we have something called competitive pricing. So competitive pricing is essentially knowing how the competitors are pricing their products, and based upon the competitors' price, we set the price for our product in such a way that we make maximum gains. So that's the first type of pricing, wherein we know our competitors' price. Based on our competitors' price, we fix the price for our product. Then there is another type of pricing known as cost plus pricing, which is nothing but it includes the cost of production plus profit. What is the expected profit that we want? So how much do we want to earn? So if suppose for instance somebody is producing a product, they want to fix the price of the product. So first they will take into account the cost of production of the product. Then they will add their expected profit. So cost plus profit is equal to cost plus pricing. So that is the second type of pricing. Third type of pricing is value based pricing. So you have something called value based pricing, which is nothing but based upon the value of our product or the perceived value of our product by a customer or by the customers. Based on that we fix the price. So we fix the price, or the producer fixes the price for the product based upon the perceived value for their product by the customers. So how the customers are feeling about their product, based on that how much value do they place upon the product, based on that we can fix the price. So that is another type of pricing. So pricing essentially means what? Fixing the price of a product. So till now we have discussed about competitive pricing, wherein we look into our competitors' prices for the same product and fix prices accordingly. Then we discuss about cost plus pricing, which is nothing but cost plus our expected level of profit. Then we have value based pricing, which is based on the perceived value of our product by the customers. Then we have dynamic pricing, wherein we study the market. Based upon the current market situation, we increase or decrease the prices accordingly. That is dynamic pricing. So we are constantly looking at how our market is playing out, and then based on that we fix the price. So that's dynamic pricing. So studying the market situation and changing the prices according to the situation in the market is dynamic pricing. Then we have something called skimming price. So we have seen there's always what is the meaning of skimming? Usually the word skimming is a word associated with the production of butter. So something that is happening at the top, that's skimming. So when we talk about skimming price, it means fixing high prices for the product. So we are trying to sell our product at a higher price. So suppose a person who is producing a product or a firm decides to fix a high price for their product, that is known as skimming price, or fixing a high price for the product. So trying to get maximum profits is skimming price. Then we have something called penetration price. What is this penetration price? By the word penetration price, it means trying to penetrate the market. So how do we penetrate the market? Normally we don't penetrate a market by fixing a high price for a product. We will be able to enter a market, that is penetrate the market based on what? Lower prices. So suppose we fix lower prices and then enter the market, that is known as penetration pricing. That means we are trying to enter the market or capture the market share by keeping the prices of our product very low. So that is penetration pricing. So fixing low prices for our product is penetration pricing. So now you are able to understand the difference between skimming price and penetration price. Skimming price is when we are keeping a very high price for our product. We are trying to get maximum profit. So we are trying to skim the market. Essentially we are trying to what? Get maximum profits. So therefore we are fixing very high prices. That is skimming price. Penetration prices on the other hand are lower prices. We're trying to penetrate the market, so we're trying to enter the market by selling our product at very low prices. That is penetration prices. Then we have differential pricing. Differential pricing means selling the same product at different prices in different markets or to different customers. That is differential pricing. So differential pricing is nothing but charging differently for different customers or charging different prices in different markets for the same product. So the product may be the same. For example, I may want to sell this sketch pen. So the sketch pen, if I am going to sell it at one rate to one person and another rate to another person, or I am going to sell the same sketch pen in two different markets at different rates. So for the same product, when I am charging different prices to different sets of customers or markets, it is known as differential pricing. Then you have high-low pricing. High-low pricing is nothing but fixing a high price, initial price, when you know that the product is very new. So the customers are very excited about the price. So that time what do? We fix a high price because we know that the product is something new which has never come to the market before. So naturally the customers will be willing to pay high price. Then with the passage of time, the same product is becoming more commonplace. Then the customers are no longer so interested in buying the product. That time what do? We fix a low price. So initially we fix a high price and then we lower the price. That is known as high-low pricing. So are you able to follow? So we are having different kinds of pricing methods such as competitive pricing, cost plus pricing, value-based pricing, dynamic pricing, skimming price, penetration price, differential pricing, high-low pricing. Now let's try to understand the concept of pricing strategy. So pricing methods and pricing strategy are closely related. So how do you fix the price? So you fix the price or you choose a particular style of pricing based upon the market situation. So we have to know our market and fix our price. We have to know our customers and fix our price. We have to also know our competitors, at what price our competitors are selling the price. So Colgate will try to know the price of Pepsodent, or the persons who are selling toothpaste will try to find out the price of the other toothpaste in the market. So know your competitor. Then know cost of production. Then you have to know the expected profit. What profit do you want to get? Then you should know the value of your product. And you should know the demand situation as well as other situations. So the pricing strategy is roughly based upon the customer market, which is essentially what? The demand side we have to know. Then we have to know from the supply side, what is the cost of production. Then we should know our competitor, how they are fixing the prices for the products. Then we should know what kind of profit we want. What is our desire, whether it is to produce more, get more profits or to increase sales. What is our need? What is our need? Based on that also we have to decide. Then we should know what is the value of our product. So based on that the price has to be fixed. Thank you.